Do notifications keep popping up and disturbing you while gaming? If you're using the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, then this video is just for you. Today, I'll show you how to completely block notifications during gameplay so you can enjoy your game with full focus and zero interruptions. Simple Flow 3. Easy setting. Don't wasting time. Let's get started. First, open your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Gaming Hub app. Then tap on three-dot menu top right corner. Then tap on Setting. A new version of Gaming Hub is available. Update to try out the latest features. Method 1. Use priority mode. Do not disturb. Go to Settings and tap on Notifications. Then tap on Do Not Disturb. Enable Do Not Disturb when you play games. Set up a schedule or manually enable it before gaming. In Do Not Disturb, customize which apps or people can interrupt you, if any. Method 2. Focus mode. Go to Settings, and then scroll down. Then tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Then scroll down. Then tap on Focus mode. Then tap on Add mode. Enter any name here. Then select any color and select any icon. Custom mode for gaming that disables most notifications and distractions. Then tap on Done. Then tap on Stay Focused. Then select Do Not Disturb. And tap on Done. Your custom focus mode is ready for use. Method 3. Use Game Booster to block notifications. First, launch any game. Game Booster to block notifications. Now this feature is no longer here, so use Custom Focus Mode. Swipe down Notification panel and tap on Focus Mode. Then selected Custom Focus Mode you already create. And that's it. Now you know how to block all notifications while gaming on your Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Got any questions or facing issues? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.